Hello, I'm Engineer Arexen Reysi Timbal. I passed the board exam last April 2024 and really, I achieved the top 3 in April 2024 CE board exam. And after that, May of April 2024, I started teaching in Jersey. And until now, parang 1 year na. That would be engineering mechanics. I could say na that is the subject when I took it in college na masasabi ko talaga na, civil engineering na talaga to. Because that subject, not only is it fundamental, but it is the prerequisite to all the subjects na major in civil engineering, like reinforced concrete design and also steel design. Kaya I'm really fascinated with that subject. For me, I would probably still be studying right now. As my initial plan was after the board exam, I will pursue masters in civil engineering, especially structural. And that way, keep on honing my skills by studying masters. I still remember this one time during my first month of teaching at Jersey. There was this certain student talaga. After the class, he approached me and asked me, ano daw yung certain skill na meron ako that made me stood out among the takers of the April 2024 board exam and be able to top the board. And yung sinagot ko talaga is this one. It's not about the quantity ng inaral mo. Hindi ibig sabihin na you will study 1,000 questions every day. No, hindi ganun. It is more on the quality ng inaaral mo. For me, 200 questions is enough. That's okay. As long as those 200 questions are quality talaga, and you will expect that those questions will come out in the board exam. And that certain reviewee, that is si Engineer Fraser. Siya yung nag-top 8 during the April 2025 recently na board exam.